In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable and turn on the filter key feature on your Acer laptop, desktop computer, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side, scroll down underneath interaction and select keyboard. And then there should be a filter key section in here. Just click inside the oval one time and toggle this to on position. And then as you select the filter key category, you'll see additional options you can customize in here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.